Tell me exactly what am I supposed to do now that I have allowed you to beat me? Do you think that we could play another game? Maybe I could win this time. I kinda like the misery you put me through. Darling, you can't trust me completely. If you even try to look the other way, I think that I could kill this time. Rock, rock. Rock, rock. It doesn't really seem I'm getting through to you, though I see you weeping so sweetly. I think that you might have to take another taste, a little bit of hell this time. Rock, rock. Lie to me. Rock, rock. Lie to me. Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run for her life and love that ends this day? Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run for her life? Does she lie to me? You always wanted people to remember you, to leave your little mark on society. Don't you know your wish is coming true today? Another victim dies tonight.